Sarah, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be an exciting one. I'm unboxing my package from University Tees. I'm so excited. University Tees has sent me some awesome stuff to try out, and I just can't wait to see what I get. I literally have been saving this box so I can open it just for this video. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? This is so cute, and I literally cannot believe that they sent me this. It is a "You're Doing Great" tee and has like smiley faces on the sleeve. This is so my style and vibe. Cannot wait to wear this. Oh my god, this is probably my favorite thing. I already love it. And then they sent me a jean jacket, and I think it says Kaya. Oh my god. This is so cute. I love this. I love the font. Oh my god, this is perfect for like an oversized look. Honestly, this looks really comfy too. You got You got oh, no, no. I cannot wait to wear this. This is really cute. They also sent me this neutral sweat set. Oh, this is honestly so my style. Like, it's so cute. It's this like big oversized crew neck in this beige color, and then in tiny little text on the side it says Chi Omega, and then it has the established year, and then it says discouraged never, because that's like part of our saying. I'm speechless right now. This is so cute. This is literally something I would wear 100%. Like, I would literally buy this if I saw it in a store. And then they sent me matching sweats to that. Like, so now I have a matching set. I cannot believe this right now. I'm so happy and grateful. Like, thank you, University Tees. This is spot on my style. Like, I cannot believe right now. I just can't even believe this right now. Oh my gosh. I would just like to say thank you again, University Tees. This is literally amazing, and I cannot believe this right now. I don't believe it's real right now, because I love buying University Tees, and last year when I got into Chi Omega, I literally like stocked my closet up with UT's merch from Chi-O, so I am just very eternally grateful right now. Definitely go check out University Tees website, whether you're in a sorority, fraternity, or any organization, or you just want to browse. They have really cute stuff like You're Doing Great smiley face section. The quality of their product is literally amazing. I constantly would buy it this past year and wear it all the time just because it's so soft and very stylish. They have lots of positive vibes going on their website. They have really cute matching sets that you can buy. literally every style and pattern or saying or anything you can imagine, and they have such an amazing layout on the website for that. So definitely go check out the link below for that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you give it a like and comment below. Make sure you're subscribed to stay tuned for more content and college, sorority, lifestyle videos, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!
Every day, but just another.